What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven. Tectonic, ticker symbol Tonic, Tonic fam, Crow fam. I'm back with some more bullish content for you guys. In this video, we're seeing a little bit of green on Tonic today. In this one, up 0.28%. Hey, I'll take it. $26 million in market cap for Tonic, 175k in 24-hour trade volume. 30,511 people have Tonic on their watch list. Look at the 1 month for this bad boy. Look at the 1 month for this project, guys. We're gonna dive into a lot in this video. We're gonna be covering the upcoming FOMC meeting, what I think on the whole situation, and how does it tie into Tonic. Like always, guys, if this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. Please support the channel, guys. Let's get these videos out into the algorithm. The more you guys support these videos, the more eyes get on Tonic, and that way the project grows. Like I said, I see people in my comment section, how do I buy Tonic? How do I get Tonic, right? And you know, you can see the numbers for Tonic are growing. Twitter holders, people on the watch list. Also, please support my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts as well. Right here, we're just going to take a look at some of the community member replies under Tonic for CMC. BTC's had a good day today. We usually follow it, so we could expect a bit of a bounce back in the next few hours or tomorrow, which would basically tie in with the stock market opening. Once the stock market opens green, you know, it's gonna be great for the markets. Tonic will definitely follow. From Castellano, cup and handle, volume is down, waiting for the breakout. Tonic has been, like, you know, making higher lows accordingly, right? And has been in this bullish trend. The floor looks like it's already in for Tonic for us to continue up higher. And Castellano with his TA is expecting a breakout. Great stuff, man. From Cedric, I can smell the pump coming. Oh man, great stuff, man. Great stuff. Let me see something interesting here from Johnny L. A lot of people really concerned about that burn. How many tokens do you think you need if you're going to be a global lending exchange? The more the better. Yeah, everybody wants to burn, but nobody's willing to pay for one. Couldn't agree with you more. From Sleepy Joe. People really just need patience nowadays. Completely agree with that, guys. Just have to have patience. Always exercise patience, especially when it comes to projects like this. This patience period, you know, all of this was accumulation for you guys, and now we're seeing the move to the upside. How many people that got into the project got tired of waiting and left the project before we made this move, right? That's what happens in a lot of projects, guys. It's just, you know, patience. You buy at the lows, you sell at the highs. Buying the red, you sell the green. From Rise to Shine, a tectonic shift in lending and borrowing. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and accessing instant-backed loans. Started by Crypto.com's co-founder and former CTO Gary Orr. I'm telling you, when I discovered that, guys, I was so much more bullish on Tonic. Right here we have total supply 246 million, total borrow 124 million. Great TVL for Tonic, guys. That's a lot of TVL that Tonic has. And right here from Chris Marzalek, co-founder and CEO of Crypto.com, said Gary is one of the brightest minds in crypto, and his contributions to Crypto.com are unparalleled. We are extremely excited about his decision to launch Particle B, which will help kickstart an ecosystem built on top of the Crypto.com chain. Connect with Particle B online. Particle B was founded by Gary Orr. Gary Orr was also co-founder and former CTO of Crypto.com. And then when you look at who are the founders of Tectonic, Tectonic was incubated by Particle B, Gary Orr's project, a startup accelerator dedicated to incubating projects built on the Chronos and Crypto.com org chain. It was founded by Gary Orr. Everything is right there, guys. It's right. How could you not be bullish? This is crazy stuff. It's basically saying that one of the co-founders of Crypto.com launched Tonic, right? It was started by one of the co-founders of Crypto.com. Chris Marszalek, Raphael Melo, Gary Orr, and Bobby Bao co-founded the crypto payments firm that previously operated under Monaco Technology. Later, it was relaunched as Crypto.com. It's right there, guys. It's crazy, man. It's absolutely crazy. From Lean 6 DeFi, the Tonic Quake of 2023 will knock off 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros. I voted for 4 zeros. 1 0 and 4 0 are literally neck and neck right now on this poll. What do you guys think is gonna happen for 2023? How many zeros will Tonic obliterate? How many zeros will Tonic eat for 2023? Let me get your thoughts down below. From Shango, Tectonic Fry earn selections would complement Crypto.com earn. Holders have shown tremendous dedication to the Tonic functions. We also have been learning about Tectonic Plate. Something is coming. Would you utilize the main pool on the Crow app? The answer is yes from me. From TA Analyst, right here, guys. Right here. Most bear markets last for 1 year, and then bull markets last for 3 years. History doesn't always repeat itself, but it does rhyme. We could see back here 2017, 2014, 2017, 2020, and now we're here in 2023. Is history gonna rhyme, guys? Right here, if we zoom in, guys, huge bull run, 1 year of bear market, terrible market conditions, everyone leaves crypto. Huge bull run, everyone is buying in here. This is when they're getting into the space. Huge bear market, everyone leaves crypto. Everyone is leaving crypto here. Once again, huge bull run. Everyone is getting into crypto around here, right? Thinking we're gonna go to 100K. Terrible bear market, worst market conditions ever. And now we're back here in 2023. Is this the start of that big breakout? Is this the start of that big move to the upside? We'll see what happens, guys. From Wall Street Silver, Americans fall behind on car payments at higher rate than in 2009. Anytime I cover these things, I'm like, man, what is gonna happen to the economy? What is gonna, take place, right? Like I said, I really do think DeFi, digital assets, crypto is gonna set you up to be recession proof in the future, because when the dollar collapses, history repeats itself. History rhymes. The S&P 500 goes parabolic, and so does Bitcoin and the rest of the markets. Tonic, Crow, VVS, they will go parabolic. From Wolf Trader, next week is going to be the most important week fundamentally. FOMC on the 1st of February, today weekly closing, and volatility will come. Keep yourself safe and don't take more risks. Don't fight with markets and trade safely. Use tight stop losses. Now that is a stop loss is if you're leverage trading, but I think most of you guys are, just you buy and you hold. You don't leverage trade. Leverage trading is very risky, so I am not mad if you just buy and hold projects. That is the simplest way to make gains in crypto. You buy in, terrible market conditions, and you sell when everyone is greedy. There's a huge amount of FOMO. There's a huge, it's always green, right? That's when you take profits, right? And as we can see right here from all the different banks in S&P Global, have the numbers right here from the previous numbers. And like I said, a lot of people are expecting a 25 basis point hike. If we do get a 25 basis point hike, the market will be bullish. That's going to be very dovish for the markets, right? And that's going to correlate to Bitcoin and the rest of the market. From Matthew Dixon, FOMC interest rate decision plus 25 BPS will likely spark a relief rally in BTC and altcoins and risk assets, so long as expectations are met. That interest rate increases are slowing whilst economy is currently robust. However, economy will slow dramatically in the coming months, in my opinion. Let's take a look right here, guys. So this is the interest rate hikes from the Fed. historical interest rate decision, and right now we are at 4.5. So we get a 25 basis point hike, guys. That is going to be bullish. That is going to be great for the markets. You expect Crow, Tonic, VVS to start breaking out. Altcoins will get, Bitcoin will get bullish. Altcoins get bullish. We get a 50 basis point hike. I really don't think that's going to happen. But if that happens, the bears are going to be happy. It's pretty clear as day. But most are expecting a 25 basis point hike. In the United States, the authority to set interest rates is divided between the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve and the Federal Open Market Committee, the FOMC. The board decides on changes in discount rates after recommendations submitted by one or more of the regional Federal Reserve banks. The FOMC decides on open market operations, including the desired levels of central bank money or the desired federal funds market rate. I really think we're getting a 25 BPS hike, and I really think the bull trend that we're seeing for Tectonic continues. Federal Reserve this week, Fed interest rate decision, Wednesday, 2 p.m. Fed FOMC statement, Wednesday, 2 p.m. Fed FOMC economic projections, Wednesday, 2 p.m. Fed Chair Powell speaks, Wednesday, 2:30 p.m. We'll see what happens, guys. Tonic fam, Crow fam, we'll see what happens. If you dollar cost average, you won't have to worry if we go lower. But like I said, I really do believe we get a 25 BPS hike. It's already priced in, and the bull trend continues. If you found any value in this video, guys, really appreciate it if you could like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. All the support is highly appreciated. Shout outs to everyone in the Tonic community, or the Chronos ecosystem in general. Shout outs to all of you. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.